Here's a quick breakdown of YouTube TV, how it works, what it costs, and is it worth it. YouTube TV is a live streaming service that replaces cable. It gives you access to over 100 channels including news, sports, and entertainment. You can watch on a smart TV, computer, tablet, or phone. No cable box required. One of the biggest benefits is unlimited DVR storage. You can record as many shows as you want and keep them for up to 9 months. The price is about $72.99 a month, and you can share it with up to 6 household members, each of their own profile. While it is more expensive than some streaming apps, it's still cheaper and more flexible than cable. So if you're thinking about cutting the cord but still want live TV or DVR, YouTube TV might be worth checking out. Subscribe for more quick reviews of apps and platforms that help you earn or save money online.